Good day, growmies. Today I am here to show you something called Strain Trakker. So visit us at straintrakker.com. That is 2Ks. So straintrakker.com and get into tracking your cannabis journey. It shouldn't be a pain to track your strain. That's our saying. That's what we're going with. That's what we live day in and day out. And a little bit of history here is that we created this site because we were managing by spreadsheet. And then we were managing by Google Sheets. And then we were trying to manage it via our phone. And that's just a pain. And then we were looking at spreadsheets and trying to make different types of things to expose our data and learn more from what we were doing and trying to set up reminders, and it just wasn't working. So sat down with a couple of friends, talked amongst ourselves, and lo and behold, Strain Trakker was created. It's about 6 months in the making. It has just recently been released. So starting August 1st of 2025, we let it out there to the world, and we hope you come and join us. Okay, so what is Strain Trakker? It's everything that you need as a grower to grow better. From seed to harvest, we're going to give you all of the tools, an AI tool included. It is ChatGPT, so trust that as far as you can throw it. I make no claims about how accurate the information is. It is crowdsourced, so you're going to get what you get there, but you know your grow, and you can use this tool to get some really good insight into what's going on. You can track your grows, you can add new grows, you can create new grow templates, you can do a lot of things within the application that just make things easier. You can monitor your watering, you can set up your watering schedules, your newt mixes, you can analyze your patterns, optimize your plant's health and growth. It's really powerful, really easy to use tool, and you can join a community. And that community is, a bunch of growmies getting together and putting in information, talking about what they're doing, what their strains are. Maybe they'd like to trade. You can trade seeds, you can trade clones, you can trade whatever you want except for anything that may be illegal. And that is in our terms and conditions. So when you're part of our community, you're part of a responsible community adhering to the rules of your state, federal, and this website. All we ask is that you follow the rules, have fun, join each other in this, and it will be something that grows into something amazing. So please join us on this journey. We're here to make it great. So why choose Strain Trakker? It's built by growers, for growers, and we understand the challenges and provide solutions that actually work. It's being knowledgeable about what you've done and what you're doing and helping you for the next grow. So again, as a group of people who've talked this over and of extensive research that I have done, it has been something that has led me into, if I'm going to do something like this and join a site like this, I want it to be private. It is extremely private. It's built on one of the largest cloud platforms out there. It's data privacy first. We don't collect much data about the users at all. We may in the future to connect people in a different way, but right now this is pretty much run from an alias perspective. Join the site, provide your name, your email, adhere to the age qualifications, and you're in. It's mobile optimized. It's going to work on your phone. It's perfect for use with that. Go out, take pictures of your strains, add them in, add the strains details, track them over time, and get those data insights that you need. Again, talk to the community, and with that community, get the help that you need across the community that are local and then across the globe. So join us. It's going to be fun. From a how it works perspective, it's really easy. Sign up, set it up, add your grows, optimize your grows, and share. So let's get ready to transform your growing. And on the next video, I'm going to go into detail about each and every step and all the functionality that we have within the site.